In this video, we're going to break down a tennis trade that we did on the Betfair exchange where we made 200 profit using the buy the dip tennis trading style strategy. Okay, very popular strategy in a lot of different areas at the moment, but we're going to show you how we used it on the tennis trading markets. Check this out. So this looks like a good opportunity for a low lay. Sarah Irani's just gone down to 1.23. It's still fairly early in the first set. Okay, we are still in the first set. There's no scoreboard on the screen, but anyway, these are the type of prices you want to kind of go for if you're just looking for that low lay. You're looking for the price to go below 1.25. You want it to dip, then we want to kind of buy the dip, and then we're going to look for that price to swing back upwards, and then we can take a profit out of this one. So let's see what happens. Irani's serving at the moment is so it is 3-1 in that first set. So let's see if Mikhail can get back into it. So it's 4-3 in this first set, and Irani's price has started to drift a little bit. So we got in at 1.24. It's gone out to 1.37 at the moment. So what you can always do when you are doing a low lay is you can take some exposure out the market, okay, as that price rises, and try and just put yourself in a position where you could break even if we don't get the big drift, because we're looking for it is a swing trade that we are looking for, but we're looking for a bigger swing, so we want the price to probably go up to at least 1.5 before we look to take the profit. But there's a little tip as well, is that we can take some exposure out the market as that price rises, so that if Irani does go on to win this first set, then we could be in a position where we just take maybe a scratch trade. Okay, so we're going to take like £150 out of this one, and now see how it goes. Okay, it is 4-3, right? So let's see what happens from here. So it's just gone to deuce on Mikhail's serve. The price spiked up just to 1.5, so just took used £100 just to get some more exposure out the market. What we're looking at is, I expect if Mikhail goes on to win her service game from here, that will probably complete our swing trade and we can get out for a profit at that particular point. But it is currently deuce, so anything could happen from here. Let's see what happens next. So she unbelievably lost that service game somehow. However, she's now leveled it a little bit later on. So now finally the trade is complete. Okay, so what you can do when you are doing this low lay-in, and what I do see a lot of low layers do, is kind of just leave the profit on the favorite. Okay, at this particular point. Let me just try and adjust that just so I can demonstrate it. Nope, didn't get taken, or it did. Okay, so anyway, so now we've got a £300 profit sitting on Sarah Irani at this particular point, and or we could cash it out for a £165 profit. Okay, you can see the markets are kind of fluctuating all over the place. But anyway, just to keep it simple for the YouTube video and for everyone watching, we're just going to take the profit. Okay, so pretty much a £200 profit there. Okay, and let me just show you the chart just so you can see how frustrating it was. This was our original trade. We got in right down here at the bottom, and then you saw when I was pretty much just about to take the profit, then she somehow lost that service game, and it actually went down again, and then the trade repeated, and you see that quite often happen within tennis trading. But anyway, nice example of a low lay, and then obviously the idea is that we would look to do it again and again. If Irani trades much lower, we'd get in again, try and repeat it, try and add to the profits. And we do have a very good buy the dip style strategy inside the Ultimate Tennis Trading course, and that would be strategy number 3 of the course. Okay, so if you like the look of that, then that's the one to definitely go to when you get inside Ultimate Tennis Trading. And in case you missed it, we are going to be opening this up very, very soon. We usually open it up kind of for the summertime here and there, and then it's closed through winter time. And as you might have noticed, the weather's getting that little bit warmer, so it's almost time to open up Ultimate Tennis Trading once again. And if you're not on the email list for it, click the link in the description. That will put you down as priority. Okay, so you can get an invite to join. Now remember, with Ultimate Tennis Trading, you're going to learn how to trade a tennis match from start to finish, even if you know nothing about tennis. Okay, that is the most crucial part of this. Okay, this whole course is designed not for tennis experts. It's designed for those who literally don't know much about tennis, and even if you've never watched a tennis match before. Okay, that's exactly what it's designed for. We've broken it down really, really easily, and it can actually be a strength if you don't know too much about tennis, because you're not going to overthink things too much. Okay, it's all about looking at the numbers, looking for those low risk, high reward opportunities, and then getting in the market. Okay, if you know too much about the sport, you might start second guessing things. Okay, also we show you how to do that pre-match research. You can pick out your own trades in 30 seconds. You can pretty much profile a match in 30 seconds, so you know what to look for when you're getting involved. Also, again, how to read a tennis match, even if you've never watched tennis before. It's all very, very simple. Okay, a lot of it is just down to the numbers and pretty much, did this happen yes, or did this happen no? Remember, it's a one-on-one sport, so it actually makes it very, very easy to read. You've only got 2 players to concentrate on. It's not like football with 22 people on the pitch. Okay, and of course, you get 3 low-risk strategies, 1 for each set. Okay, and then there's 2 more advanced strategies, which I would still say are pretty low risk. Okay, but they're just a little bit more advanced, so you're getting 5 altogether inside that. Okay, so anyway, we are opening very soon. I don't quite have the opening date at the moment, but it's coming very, very soon. All right, so for those who are really, really quick, and if you're first in line, you're going to get some of the early bird coupons, which will give you the biggest possible discount on this if you get it on the opening day. Okay, that's something we typically do for those who act really, really quick. Okay, so again, click the link below the video to make sure you can grab one of those. Okay, quite a lot have opted in for those already. So yeah, try your luck either way. Okay. And while you're there, if you want to keep watching, there should be another really, really good video on the screen right about now. Okay, so if it's there, click on that video and I will see you in the next video.